Hey, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. Today we're making tropical mango bowls. Check out this deliciousness. Mangoes, veggies, quinoa, and a citrus ginger drizzle. It is so good and it only takes 30 minutes to make. Let's get started. There are 6 varieties of mangoes that are available all year round. Today we're using the Francis mango, which has a rich, sweet flavor. You can find it in your supermarket and you can tell when it's ripe when it changes from green to yellow and it's slightly soft to the touch.